All right, fellow AMC stockholders, XMAX Trading here. When we go over some DD, I was able to scrounge from the internet and put together as far as a story for all of you. Thanks for all those who are subscribing to my channel. Keep it up. Need more subscribers, more likes and comments to keep the channel going so I can get the content out to you and find out what's going on with AMC stock and other meme stocks. So if you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing and liking, comment, and let's get started. This is pretty kind of amazing DD. So up here on the far left, talking about, this guy on StockTwits made a very good comment. A very, very good comment. Ask yourself, why would hedgies spend hundreds of millions on MSM and social media and hiring shills to try to convince everyone there is no squeeze? Why lock up investors' funds for 4 years at Citadel, right? Citadel saying you can only withdraw 16%, per year or whatever, trying to lock up their investment so the investors don't flee Citadel. Why lock up investors' funds for 4 years? Why hire Secret Service for protection, right? Because I guess one of Joe Biden's Secret Service bosses is going over to Citadel, which is kind of a conflict, isn't it? Could it be they created over 1 trillion fake shares to bankrupt AMC and were caught by apes who bought all the real shares? Hedgie would have moved on if they were able to, right? And that makes sense. I mean, they're the ones, they're complaining that we bought all this up because there's something there. There's something going on, Hedgie would have moved on if they were able to, but they are so over leveraged they can't close out without bankrupting themselves, so they're just slow walking to the electric chair. That's just normal behavior. Why watch the demise? It kind of makes sense, and maybe some Citadel employees are trying to get the hell out, Citadel, I think, not financial advice and just opinion of others. Sometimes people think the Citadel has a revolving door. People kind of come out and get out, get the experience to get out. So now let's go over another person pointed out. AMC is traded over 30 times its available float this year. GME is over 7 times. Solid fact. To put this in perspective, Apple traded 3/4 of its float, and Microsoft traded 2/4 of its float. So it was about half, right? 3/4. Microsoft traded 2/4, about a half. Google traded 1/4 of its float. These are among the biggest companies in the world. Their whole float is not traded more than once. We traded over 30 times. So 30 times the float on AMC has been traded. Are they really trying to make us believe there are not billions of synthetic shares out there when we are one of the strongest holding investors in the market? Merry Christmas and God bless all of you. We get back to work after the holidays. Hashtag I'm still holding. And that's pretty amazing, the fact that, billions of shares of AMC have been circulating back and forth. Sure seems a lot of failure to delivers. A lot of hedge funds maybe helping each other out. Lending shares, using ETFs, and creating synthetic shares. I mean, it's crazy. It seems like it's really crazy, guys. And of course, they're trying to tell you that you're in the wrong. This MOAS is never going to happen, or like Charlie Gasparino once, and that other guy, Lowell Alderin or whatever it is, he wants AMC to do some sort of dividend, 1 per share on their software platform to do that. Of course, the one guy who hates your guts wants you to do a certain action. Even if this MOAS is even going to happen, you should do nobody trusts that fool. So yeah, here's a screenshot of the volume exchange of AMC. Off exchange, at least 55%, could be higher. 55% is the dark pools. We recently changed the dark pool to off exchange. Venues explained. Multiple internal ATS and dark pool venues all traded that updated volume CTA. So off exchange is another word, because I guess dark pool is too inflammatory of a word, but it's kind of true. So 55% on 12/22. So more than half. I think some people are saying it's up to 60%, 70% at times with AMC, which is that's pretty dang high. Probably all the synthetic shares are being circulated around in there to try to get the price down. Or they're using options to pin the stock. There's always that max pain and then the end of the week, right? I mean, you kind of know where the price is going to be at because of max pain. So options, in my opinion, not financial advice. Options are kind of a waste of money. You're just trying to buy and hold stock, and not financial advice. And of course, the Charlie Gasparino was attacking Twitter. Was it Kate Tucker? I'm trying to figure out who it was, but saying that his lawyer's gonna be in touch with her because of harassment. But he made his point months ago. Opinions aren't defamation per se or otherwise. Please read that document to know, known as the U.S. Constitution. Start at the very top. He sends out months ago, complaining about you can't. Opinions are not defamation. Well, guess what? Now he's reversing it and saying we're the ones who are harassing him. Of course, the meme is like when you're Charlie Gasparino's lawyer and all you have to do is sue all of Twitter. Yeah, his lawyers are probably not happy with him. And then let's see. This is a damn cool meme. Looks like an NFT of some sort. Spider-Man. So yeah, a little Easter egg at the end for you guys. Spider-Man did, almost $500 million in revenue so far. It's not even the end of it. And we got The Matrix coming up. Not financial advice. I plan on seeing Spider-Man as well. The seats are all filled. You can't even get a dang ticket. It stinks. It stinks in a good way. So, I know a lot of the apes are going to see Spider-Man. They're going to see, Matrix. They're going to see Morbius. They're going to see all the Marvel movies coming up. Top Gun 2 is coming up in May. The hedgies are just slow walking to the electric chair. We have all these huge, billion-dollar franchises coming down the pipeline for AMC that retail knows are going to really, really help the company, and retail's going to pile in, and hedge funds are going to lose in this. The hedge funds are short. There are hedge funds that are long on AMC as well, right? So we got to give credit where credit is due, and of course the theory is that they're buying up stock to lend it out to their short hedge fund friends, but who knows? Who knows? This is a pretty cool. It might be from someone's NFT, but it's pretty dang cool. All right, guys. Till next time. Later, and let's do this.